Hey guys, Jamie here, keeping it koi. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. So today we are going to find out who the 3 lucky winners are for the big competition. Unfortunately, there's not going to be any pond videos in this particular video because I haven't been able to get out there and do anything. 1, work's been too busy, and 2, when I have been here, it's been absolutely peeing it down with rain like it is today. So all we're doing today is we're going to find out who the 3 lucky winners are. I've got the laptop sat here behind me, comment pickers all ready to go. So let's find out who's won. In fact, before we do that, let's have a quick look and a reminder of the prizes to be won. So you can see here, this is the first set of prizes. This was hashtag JSKoi. So we've got some plaques, 4 plaques, some big ones and some little ones, 3 mugs, a Tancho shower, my mug and another mug, and then we've got some koi care kits, some coasters, a bowl net, loads of goodies. So that's all in there. Second prize is one of my lovely mugs, one of the koi mugs, keeping it koi mugs, and then you've got on the back there catch you in a bizzle, and that also comes with a bowl net. If you haven't seen the bowl nets, I'll put a little quick clip in now. So yeah, these are the bowl nets. They're round in shape, metre in diameter. Because they're round in shape and a metre in diameter, they fit most bowls under 80 centimetres. Whether it's your small round blue bowl, you drape your net over, pull your cord nice and tight, and then you've got protected fishies. And then you've got your standard 60 centimetre measuring bowl, rectangular, and even though this is a round net, again you loosen your cord, drape it over your bowl, and pull your cord nice and tight again. Keeps your fish in your bowl while you're busy doing other things. That's the bowl nets. And then lastly, we've got this voucher, which will entitle you to £100 off a JSKoi Bakki shower with media. The only term and condition is it does need to be a 3-tier shower with media, but that will entitle you to £100 off. So the winner of that, contact me. I'll pass your name and details over to JSKoi. That way, when you contact them, obviously they'll give you £100 off. Bear in mind as well, on that video, there was a 15% off JSKoi media, if quoting keeping it koi. So if you just need some media, whether it be for your showers or it's the big heavy duty ceramic media like CSM, if you want some in Bakki showers or whatever, contact them and they'll give you 15% off, quoting keeping it koi. But without further ado, let's spin you around and let's find out who's won live with me now. So here we go, guys. As you can see, I've already put the YouTube link in there. Now, there was over 300 comments, lots and lots of comments on this particular video, and I don't blame you because they're fantastic prizes. So, the usual comment picker we all used to use, there's now a charge if you wish to do a keyword filter, but I've found one that does work. Already set up for JSKoi. So, for the big prize bundle, again, I'll show you it here. Let's find out who the winner is. So this is going to tell me how many comments. It'll go through all the comments, and as you'll see there, loaded over 300 comments in total, 97 of which stated JSKoi. So let's pick a winner. Good luck all. Brizzle Koi. And his message was, congratulations Jamie, hashtag JSKoi. So Brizzle, if you want to get in contact with me, buddy, and we'll get the all them prizes sent out to you. So congratulations, and I will pause the video while I set this up again because you can't refresh, unfortunately. Okay, so we're back. We're going to pick the next one. You can just pick another winner if it's the same keyword, but obviously everything is different. So the next one was JSKoi Bakki shower. Now this is for the £100 off, a 3-tier Bakki shower with media. So we'll go through the 300 comments again, and I'm pretty sure there was less people wanting £100 off a Bakki shower, but then if you've already got one, you don't need a new one. 18 comments in total, so good odds. Again, good luck everybody. Let's find out who the lucky winner is. And the winner is Agostino Lopes. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. Apologies if I haven't. But yeah, he says, congrats on reaching 2k subscribers. You did hashtag JSCoy. I'm afraid you didn't win that one, but you have won the £100 off a Bakki shower. So if you want to get in contact with me, leave a comment on this video or whatever. I'll put my email address and my Facebook in the video description, so you can leave me a message on Facebook if that's easiest for both of you. And then we'll get the voucher over to you and the goods over to Brizzle. Right, we'll refresh it one more time. We'll do it live this time. So link in there. And then the last one is for the best prize of all. Obviously, it's for the Keeping It Koi mug with a bowl net. You do get a bowl net as well with the mug. So let's have a look at the comments. Go through all 300 comments again. 85 people wanted a Keeping It Koi mug. Again, good luck all. Let's find out who the lucky winner is. Are we going to get a double? Is someone going to win too? Nope, it's Carol Lysett. Well done, Carol. Again, I think you've contacted me before because I think you've actually won a prize from me before. So yeah, get in contact, Carol. And again, link in the description for my Facebook, but get in contact and we'll get you the mug and bowl net sent out. So yeah, massive congratulations to you three. As I say, get in contact with me, link is in the description, and we'll get all those prizes sent out to you. I just want to give a couple of quick shout outs as well, because I haven't yet featured these on the channel. I've had them for a couple of weeks now, but been busy doing other things and kept forgetting to put them in a video. So first shout out to Kashi, because I got a new Kashi Koi mug, but on the back of this mug we've got MBK, My Boys Koi Liverpool. So two big shout outs there. That's from their growing show that we did months ago now, but what can you do? And then recently I've just received my first ever Lee Hadfield mug, the Koi Soldier. I'm pretty sure anyone watching this video will know who Lee Hadfield is, but if you haven't, get over, check him out. Check out My Boys Koi Liverpool as well. He's set up a lovely little koi dealership over in Wales. And then Kashi Koi is just Kashi Koi. He has some fantastic ponds, does a lot of shows with his fish, got some cracking fish. So again, get over and check him out. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already. Congratulations to all the winners, and we will catch you all on the next one.